Latest. Yeah. Wow, we're going really fast. Horsepower. You're doing good. Don't drop it, eh? Yes, you're going fast. I'm matching you. It's cold. Yeah. Yeah. Look. Where are they? Whoa, your echo's way back there. Hey, look at the seagull, it's getting ready to fly. Oh, it's all up. You can see the rock in between there. See that? Oh, wow. Care of flags, kids. Look at this, look at this. Have a look at. Whoa. Don't drop it. Oh, wow, look at that house. It's like underneath the water. Me? Okay. Whose house is this then? Power. Horsepower. Hey, wide grip. Tyler, open up your wide grip like this. Huh? Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Calm down. No paddling. Shh. Oh. Oh. Okay, that's it. Whoa, so calm. Whoa. Car. Wow. It's so calm. It's so creepy how calm it is. Yeah. Or flamingo. Yes. Look at this. So calm. Shh. Don't say anything. Just enjoy the nature. Oh, it's so soothing. Lily pad. Nice. Hey, don't lean over. What's wrong with you? Hey, there's more up ahead. Look, there's tons. Tons of lily paddy. You're gonna fall in, bro. Okay, wait. Okay, grab them. Here. Hey. Oh, you grab it too. Oh, something just jumped over there. Yeah, peaceful. Yep. It's a swamp. Oh, there's more one. Mosquitoes. Look, there's a track people come around the bridge. Look. You can see it, look. People get off the bridge and then they come to the side. Just to take a look. Okay, alright. No paddle. Look. People are looking. Oh, that's a huge bird in the tree. Holy cow, look at that big bird. Wow. Holy cow, that's a big bird. I am. What? Yeah. You see that bird? Sorry? Yeah. Yeah, you can, yeah. Trails in. You just drive a little bit further down. You can book it. Oh, come on. I'm sure there might be a place there. Yeah, there's a room there. Yeah, give them a call. They're right there. It's just a little bit further. There's a sign. You can't miss it. Just keep driving until it says Trails End. Rotate. Like this. Look at me. Yeah. There. Whoa. Yep. Got it. See the pelican now is upside down. I mean, already set up. Kayaki. You don't miss your friends? Oh. Oh look, people kept some fish under the bridge. Something's in there. I think it is a fish. Yeah. Hi. We just want to see what's inside. We're not gonna steal it, don't worry. Is there a fish? Is there a fish in there? Oh. That guy wasn't happy that we touched his fish stuff. He's like, what the blood are you touching, bruh? Totally. Well, we're really moving fast. Look at this. We're going right through it. Whoa, look, you can really see underneath. Whoa, cool. No fish. Nope, nothing. Except for that. Whoa, whoa, there was a big fish in here. Yeah. It just jumped down. Oh, it's so shallow here. Look how shallow it is. Yeah. Wow, it's so clear. We're really moving now. No mosquito can catch up to us. Right, Tyler? Oh, lily pads. Grab it. Oh, look underneath. It's gross. What is it? What is it? What is it? Ugh. Look. What's underneath there? Wash it. Well, you wanted to touch it. What do you mean I want to touch it? Lily pad balls. Look, lily pad balls. Let's see the lily pad balls, guys. There's one right here. Lily pad balls. Look. Going. Bally. It goes up. White thing, what is that? On the right side, there's white thing. Is that fish? Oh, it's a dead fish. Oh, have a look. Don't touch it. It's all rotty. Good rest, buddy. Rest in peace. Whoa, don't come to our boat. That's right. You're very right about that. Very good, Tyler. I know. They didn't survive. It's bouncy here. You miss your friends? You do? Me too. Bigger waves? It's dangerous, bro. It's splash, right? Big waves, big waves. Relaxing? Nice. Oh!